if z equal to x square plus y square, where x is e power u into sine v, y equal to e power u into cos v. So here we must find out dou z by dou u, dou z by dou v. So here how to write this one? So here z is x and y, x and y are u and v. So while writing this one, we must write dou z by dou u is nothing but z with respect to x, x is with respect to u, plus z with respect to y, y is with respect to u. So this one we must remember carefully. So here dou z dividing by dou x. So here we must differentiate this x square is nothing but 2x, dou z by dou y is 2y, here x, dou x by dou u, e power u is e power u, into sine v we must write as it is, dou x by dou v, e power u is constant, sine v is nothing but differentiation of sine v is cos v. Now y with respect to u, e power u into cos v, dou y by dou v, y with respect to v is nothing but cos is nothing but minus, so e power u into sine v. So here we substitute this one. So here dou z by dou u, dou z by dou u. So here dou z by dou x is there, so dou z by dou x is 2x, dou x by dou u is e power u into sine v, plus dou z by dou y is 2y, and dou y by dou u is e power u into cos v. But while writing, we must write the answer in terms of u and v. So x is e power u into sine v into e power u into sine v, y is 2y 2 power u into cos v into e power u cos v. So here if we take e power 2 into e power u common into square, this one is nothing but square. Here we have sine square v, here we have plus cos square v. This is nothing but 1. We get 2 times e power 2 u. Similarly, dou z by dou v. So here first z with respect to x, 2x into multiply with this one, e power u into cos v, plus 2y into multiplication of this one, minus e power u into sine v. We substitute x value, x is e power u into sine v, here into e power u into cos v is there, plus 2y is nothing but e power u into cos v, here minus is there, minus e power u into sine v. If we substitute, we get the answer 0.
So here if z is function of x and y, x is given as u square minus v square, y is 2 into u into v. We must show that z with respect to u whole square plus z with respect to v whole square equal to 4 times u square plus v square of z with respect to x whole square plus z with respect to y square. So sometimes we do not able to prove this one, but we know the basic concept of partial differentiation. First we write that one. So here z, x, y, x is u and v. So here we remember this one, dou z by dou u is nothing but dou z by dou x into dou x by dou u plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou u. So remember, we must put the dou, we divide this arrow marks, we get this one. So here we need not differentiate this one, so we get as it is. So we must differentiate only these x and y. X is u square minus v square, y is 2 into u into v. X differentiation with respect to u. So here 2 times u, v is 0. Dou x by dou v. So u square is 0, we get minus 2 times v square is 2v. Here dou y by dou u is nothing but 2v. Dou y by dou v is nothing but 2 times u. We substitute these things here. See here, dou z by dou u equal to dou z by dou x, we write it as it is. Dou x by dou u is 2u plus dou z by dou y, write it as it is. Dou y by dou u is nothing but 2v. Now dou z by dou y equal to dou z by dou x and dou x by dou v is nothing but minus 2v. Then dou z by dou y by dou v is nothing but 2u. Now here dou z by dou u square is there, we must square this one. This one is equation number 1. Equation number 2, we must square and add. So square equation number 1. So what will you get? Dou z by dou u whole square equal to, this is the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, so a plus b whole square is nothing but dou z by dou x whole square into 4u square plus dou z by dou y whole square into 4v square plus 2 times u into v is 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into u v into dou z by dou x into dou z by dou y. Similarly, dou z by dou u this is v So we get dou z by dou x whole square if we square this one, we get 4 times v square plus dou z by dou y whole square into 4u square minus 8 times uv into dou z by dou x into dou z by dou y. We can cancel this one by adding, that is dou z by dou u whole square plus dou z by dou v whole square. So here 4 is common, dou z by dou x is common. So here 4 dou z by dou x square. Here 4, here u square plus v square we are getting. Then plus here also 4 dou z by dou y whole square is taken. We get u square plus v square. Now we take 4 u square plus v square common, so that here left out is dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y whole square. We must prove this one, hence it is proved. So here you can see dou z by dou u whole square plus dou z by dou y dou v whole square equal to 4 times u square plus v square into dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y whole square.